In this video, I'm going to take you behind the scenes of making this really radical, cool, upcycled vintage messenger bag that I made. One of the biggest compliments anybody can give you is, where did you get that bag? And this is exactly the goal of this project, which was to make a bag for my friend out in Ohio that would really be a showstopper. His last name is Coffee, so I'm using an Upcycle tin from Hills Brother Coffee to kind of identify the bag with his name. I'm using just all kinds of other kind of upcycled items like old jeans, the top part that has an old belt buckle from 1976, and just laying out the elements. The front flap of the bag is quilted with this kind of odd kind of pattern. I'm using an old license plate plus a Mercury emblem from a 1950 Mercury to create this kind of very just wonky, very almost boho or hipster kind of bag that has all these different kind of wonky elements like copper and the tin and the belt buckle. It just really kind of has a really cool element to it, bringing these things together. You can't remake this bag because the elements are so unique. So this is in no way a how-to video, but it just kind of gives you some inspiration of what you can really do and how seriously fun this can get. I use different kinds of binding on the front flap. The back, people really do appreciate really strong connectors. So whenever possible, I try to use copper rivets and really overbuilt connectors so that people know it's really strong. This small little side connector enables people to hold the bag at an angle while they're riding on a motorcycle or bike. And so the elements of the bag are just very unique. And the whole goal of this project is to make something so unique, so unusual, people automatically know that it was custom made for you and it really stands out and represents your values, your background, where you live. And that was the goal of the project. And I really enjoyed working on this project. I know the channel is about leathercraft, and it's kind of hard to say, is this really a leathercraft project or is this more storycraft? To me, the project felt more storycraft because I was not just making a leather bag for somebody, but I'm kind of making a story bag that kind of has all these different fun elements. It's just fashionable as anything. And that's the fun thing about upcycling. You can do so many creative things and nobody else can repeat it. And it's automatically so unique. And that's what everyone wants. They want that unique special item. So leave a comment below and let me know what you think about another upcycle project if you have any suggestions. Thanks for watching.